You read the title. So let's get started. From head to Tokyo, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, let's get started. Dun, 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 dun. Douchebag Games present Puffballs United. Infiltrating the airship. What's up, guys? Okay, can you hear me? What's up? Yeah, we're gangsters. We're driving through the city. The night's looking pretty, cause she's got that Mercedes going right through the windy city. Eyes freestyled. Can you do that? No, I didn't think so. Yeah. Okay, let's get started. Woohoo! What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Will you please shut up? Please shut up, guys. You shut up? Thanks, man. Thanks for shutting up. Gravel gun, sticky, cannonball, earpiece. Yes, Charles. Knock. They probably would have let you. You had a Girl Scout cookies with you. Yep. Vacuum. Oh, it worked? Whoa. Yeah. Okay. I get it. Disguise. Well, if you see my previous Stickman video, disguise didn't work. So I'm gonna use it. Kevin. Yeah, Kevin. What's up? No, it's Kevin. Yeah, man, get out! Congratulations, 70. Wow. That's actually coming up, too. That's perfect timing. What? It's super easy to use and give awesome results. You went to the first dimension. It's okay, just flip the switch up to get back to alright. Wow. Wow. Ooh. Glue. How is glue gonna work? Glue. 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 What's up? What's up, guys? Charles! Charles. Hey, look, Charles is here. Yay, Charles. 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 Robot helper. That's Tails. It works. Thanks, Tails. Tell Sonic said hi. Bone melt. Mind control. Jedi thingamajiggy. Jedi thing. The Jedi thing. Controlling my person is harder than it looks, okay? Yeah, it is, isn't it? Wow. Bone melt. Falcon kick. Isn't it a good time, Charles? Falcon kick. I think you put too much energy into it that time. Ninja Star. You missed. How could you miss? He was there. 3 feet in front of you. Spook. Oh, Mass Effect's reference. Make an animal noise. Shut off the power. We're out the power. I don't need your help. I need your help, Charles. Good hustle. What's the difference of rerouting it and shut it off? Oh. Worked? Force gun. Banana bomb. Step away from the bomb. Wow. 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 Whoa. Of course. You snooze, you lose. Or I guess in this case, you don't snooze, you lose. Force gun. Puffballs United. Presents. Yeah. Turtle fails, unique fails. Wow. What's up, guys? Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. And smash that thumbs up button if you did. And yeah. You know what to do. Smash the like button by saying, yeah, yeah.